Good morning everyone. Today we are playing a role play on human heart. Hello, I'm your heart, the central rhythm of your existence. I work round the clock to keep blood flowing, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. I'm the one who feels the rush of excitement, the game of contentment, and even the pangs of sadness. Every beat of mine is a testament of a vitality and endurance. I'm not just a pump, I'm also a symbol of emotion and connection. So when you feel these strong steady beats, remember I'm here supporting you through every high and low. I beat about 1 lakh a day, ensuring your organs and tissues get the constant supply they need. I have 4 chambers. First is the right atrium. Let us go to right atrium.
Hi, I'm right atrium. Play a key role in your heart's function. I'm the chamber that receives deoxygenated blood from the body to circulate energy and metabolism. Once the blood is in me, I send it down to the right ventricle, which then pumps it into your lungs. My job is crucial in ensuring that your heart is working correctly. I am working elegantly to keep your heart moving.
Next is the right ventricle. Let us go to right ventricle.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hill. My job is to receive deoxygenated blood from right lung and pump the lungs to pulmonary artery. Let the blood get oxygenated before entering the heart. Every beat I make help inject the oxygen.
Next is the left atrium. Let us move to left atrium.
Hello, I'm left atrium. My job is to receive oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the pulmonary veins. Once I have this fresh blood, I pass it down to the left atrium. From there, the blood gets circulated to the rest of your body. I push here for oxygen that is delivered efficiently to keep every part of you energized and healthy.
Next is the left ventricle. Let us go to left ventricle.
Hi, I'm the left ventricle. My main job is to receive oxygen-rich blood from the left atrium and pump it out through the aorta to the rest part of the body. I generate a strong force needed to push your blood through your arteries, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients everywhere. I am key to maintaining your body circulation and keeping you active and healthy.
My heartbeat will be here using a stethoscope. Let us move to stethoscope.
Hi, I'm Stethoscope. My job is to listen to the sound of your heart and the airflow in your lungs. I help doctors and nurses diagnose and monitor your health, providing crucial information about how well your body is working. By amplifying the sound, I help ensure you get the care and attention you need. Yes, you're fine.
I also help regulate blood pressure and it could be monitored using a sphygmomanometer. Let us go to sphygmomanometer.
Hi, I am sphygmomanometer, commonly known as blood pressure monitor. My job is to measure your blood pressure as it flows through your arteries. By using an arm, commonly known as blood pressure monitor. My job is to measure your blood pressure as it flows through your arteries. By wrapping around your arm and using the curve to create pressure, I help you to determine your blood pressure readings. These readings are essential for assessing your cardiovascular health and ensuring that you are in good health. Remember, I may look simple, but I play a crucial role in your healthcare.
Whether you're resting or exercising, every beat you feel is me working hard to keep you healthy and energized. Thanks for taking care of me so that I can keep doing my job. Thank you. After our role play, we would just like to share our feedback from our side.
It helps me to learn about the heart structure and function in thinking the organs of the blood. It helps me to gain knowledge about the circulatory system and how it works together with the heart. It helps me to develop teamwork and collaboration.
I enjoyed my working with teammates and collaborating heart function. I found the learning experience very much engaged and interactive. I appreciate the learning experience to use creativity and imagination. This activity helps me to understand heart's function in a way that the lecture alone could not. This activity also develops my self-awareness, empathy, negotiation, critical thinking, creative thinking, problem solving, and decision making.
It helps to demonstrate a strong scientific understanding of the heart's function in the circulatory system and effectively communicate it with other roles. It helps me to develop a deeper understanding of the complex biological process. At last, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected PGT Bio Sir M.S. Methey for his guidance and support throughout our recent roleplay activity on human heart. His ability to create an engaging and interactive learning environment made the experience both informative and enjoyable. We are grateful to have had the opportunity to learn from you. Thank you. A self-composed poem on human heart is going to be presented by Sri.
Hi, to enjoy the learning of heart, let's listen a poem on heart. The heart, a marvel of nature's design, a pump that beats, a muscle divine. For chambers within, a pathway so fine for blood to flow and life to entwine. The atria, upper chambers, receive with care oxygen-depleted blood with a story to share. The ventricles, lower chambers, strong and so grand, pump blood outward, the body's demand. The septum, a wall, divides the heart's space, keeping blood separate in its designated place. The valves, like doors, open and close with ease, regulating blood flow with expertise. The coronary arteries, a network so fine, supply the heart itself with oxygen divine. The sinoatrial node, a spark so bright, triggers the heartbeat with rhythmic delight. The heart beats strong, a loyal, steadfast friend, pumping life, giving blood to the very end. It's a marvel of nature, a wonder to behold. The heart, human heart, a treasure worth more than all